Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of the weekly Forex update. Okay, today we will be taking a look at the euro, the British pound, the gold and the stock market because I have received a lot of questions about what's happening with the stock market. So we'll take a look at those four markets specifically. Okay, so the euro currency, what we see is that the market is still in an uptrend. As you can see, we have higher highs, higher lows from July of 2012. So we're in an uptrend on the euro. But what is happening now is that the market is in a slight consolidation. So if we draw our resistance line and our uptrending support line, we see that we are currently in a triangle. And triangles in a uptrend normally break to the upside. So that's what we are looking for here. We are looking for the market to, at some point, eventually test this area and ultimately break above 139. And that would set us up to move quite significantly up to maybe the 141 level or up to 145. So that's what I'm looking on the euro. As you can see, this is the daily chart. What's happening, if we just even recap further, this is a head and shoulders reversal pattern. Left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder here, and we're looking for the market to break above the upslope in neckline, roughly like that. So that's what's happening in the euro. Okay, let's take a look at the British pound. And we can see that the pound is in a gentle uptrend. If we back up further and look at the weekly chart, we see that the market was in a consolidation zone. Let me just draw this trend line here. My drawing is off today. So this is what was happening in the pound. As you can see, the market was in a huge consolidation, triangular consolidation from 2009, 2010, 11, 12, almost 3-4 years we're in this triangle consolidation, and the market broke above the triangle in late 2013, early 2014. So what we could see is a pretty dramatic rise in the British pound for this year, actually. So that's what I'm looking for in the pound. This is a longer term outlook, what we're looking for. We could see this market trade up to 175 or even a 180. But that won't happen overnight. That will be a long-term move. Okay, another market of interest is gold. We can see that we're in a downtrend, or we are in a downtrending environment, but the market found support at the previous low right here. This is just below 1200. Market found support at 1200 and bounced. But what is curious is that the market is coming up on a trend line. If I can just get this trend line to, charting software decides to give me problems in the middle of the recording. Okay. Let me draw a horizontal line. This is live technology, folks. Okay, for some reason my charting trend lines are not working. So let me hand draw it. We have a trend line like that. So what is happening is that the market is approaching this trend line here in gold. And we also have a horizontal line here. So what is happening is that this could be a triangle in a downtrend. And what will confirm that is if the market breaks below the $1,200 level. So that's what we're looking for in the gold market. Now let's turn our attention to stocks. I mean, this is being recorded at about 1 o'clock Eastern, and we can see that the market is down pretty significantly today, this S&P 500. So what we're looking for is if this SPY ETF for the S&P 500, we're going to see if the market closes below 177 and ultimately 164. A close below 177 would be bearish and the momentum in the market could shift down. And a close below 164 will definitely confirm that we are in for a larger correction. So those are the two levels you need to look for in the stock market. And curiously enough, the market is moving down, but you notice that the euro is not moving down with the market. And normally when the stock market strengthens or weakens or goes down, the US dollar strengthens, and that's not the case, and that has not been the case for this recent decline. So that's something to keep an eye out on. If you have any questions, you can send an email beyond@acestrading.com, and happy trading. Thank you.